So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Network 18 share. So many people have requested to discuss about this particular stock. So today we'll do the complete technical analysis, followed by we'll try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries, and we'll try to predict what can be the near-term target, and also we'll discuss about the financials that the company has reported recently, so that the complete fundamental picture followed by technical point of view would be clear. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for swing and short term. So I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so the first thing that we need to discuss is going to be related to the deliveries. So if we see in the last 3 to 4 sessions, we know 2 sessions the stock has corrected around 7%, and on Friday we have seen almost 1.1% positive movement, and today also it has given a fabulous move. So the last sessions, when we compare with Nifty, we know markets were completely in correction phase in the last sessions, but today we have seen some very good recovery both in Nifty followed by Bank Nifty. So that made the stocks rally in the upside direction. So which stocks rally? Obviously the stocks which gave some very good fundamentals and which have recently declared a very good quarter result. So these things are very important, especially to consider at this point of time. So Network 18 also has recently given the quarter result, and we know quarter on quarter basis followed by year on year basis, the stock has performed very well. So seeing the deliveries, so clearly we can understand day-to-day wise a very good percentage is maintained, and at any point of time the stock may even cross 100. So it is looking that bullish. So let's go to the financial section first, and then we'll move on to charts. Okay, so first discussing about the financials of the September end quarter. So first discussing on revenue, you can see the revenue has increased almost 30.76% year on year basis, and net income you can see 512.04. So 5 times increment is present in net income. So when talking about Network 18, so we know it has a very strong backbone of Reliance, so which is not a small deal. It's always a positive thing for a company having such a huge background. And after that, if you see, net profit margin has also increased in 4 times as compared to year on year basis. So very good. Okay, financials have been reported in the recent time. So the stock, despite 7 to 8% correction in the last 2 sessions, so that has been completely nullified by today's movement. So now let's go to charts, and we'll discuss all the major supports and resistances. Okay, so first discussing on weekly chart time frame. So once we see the weekly chart clearly, we can see once the stock has gone to the 90 rupees level, so from where we have seen little bit of profit booking. So obviously once you see the weekly chart, so when 2 weeks back to back green candles have been formed, so obviously third week we may expect some sort of correction. So that is what is seen in it, and you can see a inverted type of candle has been formed there. But in this particular week, you can see buying volume has been generated from the bottom, and you can see 77 is the closing price. 77 is the closing price of today, and you can see almost, sorry, not 77, you can see 82.25 is the closing price. So chart is not updated yet, so that was the previous week's one. So if you see the resistance wise, so first resistance is coming out to be near 85. So 85 is going to be a very good resistance in the near term, so make sure you're keeping that in radar. So once it crosses 85, as I told, it has started retracing from 90. So 90 would be the first major target. So once it crosses 90, 100 as we discussed, so that can be easily achieved. So keep these particular levels in radar. So now let's go to daily chart, as weekly chart is not that clear because daily chart shows the day-to-day wise momentum. Okay, so if you observe the daily chart, so clearly you can see 75 was acting as a very strong support for the stock. So almost 2 times it has comfortably tested that particular level. So once it crosses 85, as I told, it's a very good resistance where the company is facing. So first target would be 90. So once it crosses 90, 100 rupees can be easily achieved. So both fundamental wise and technical wise, so stock is still looking bullish. And moving towards money flow index, so that is near 82, so not at all in highly overbought region. So 82 is a position where the stock is showing some strong momentum. Okay, so keep the levels in radar, 75 as support and 85 as near term resistance. So if it crosses that first target 90 plus, after that 100, so these can be comfortably achieved. So any other doubts you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.